Let's set up our template for the ball bounce assignment. We're going to need our template, a pencil, ruler, 2-color counters, and blank paper. On my template, I went ahead and numbered each of the points where I'm going to trace the 2-color counter. And on each page, make sure that you have your initials on the bottom as well as which frame number this will be. Carefully line up your 2-color counter within each of the 2 guidelines at each point and carefully trace around it. You want to be accurate here, so this is not something we want to rush through. We want it to look good. Move it down to point 2 and repeat. Careful, because I actually didn't get all of it, so I had to reline it up to finish out my circle. Continue the same process until you have all circles drawn at each point. You should have 11 in total. And our template is complete. It's time to go ahead and start making each individual frame of animation. So we'll take a blank piece of paper, put it on top, make sure it's nice and lined up. So we need every single page to be perfectly aligned with the template. Then you're going to take your 2-color counter, put that carefully and precisely inside of the first circle that we drew, and then we are going to trace that circle onto our blank page. We are not trying for speed, we are trying for accuracy. We need a nice, beautiful, perfect circle. So when we're done, make sure that we erase any stray marks so we just have our nice, beautiful circle. Write your initials in the bottom corner as well as the frame number. So this will be frame number 1 in our animation. We'll set this aside. Grab another blank page, line it up with our template nice and perfect. Put your 2-color counter into the circle number 2. Make sure when we're tracing it, we do not push hard. We want to just make the circle, not damage the monitor. And once we have our nice, beautiful second circle, we can go ahead and write our initials and the frame number in the bottom corners and repeat this process for every frame of animation.